Hello health champions. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the incredible beauty benefits of castor oil for your skin and hair. This natural remedy has been used for centuries and offers a multitude of benefits. If you're looking to enhance your beauty routine, keep watching to discover the top 10 castor oil beauty benefits. Let's get started. What is castor oil? Before we dive into the benefits, let's briefly talk about what castor oil is. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which gives it potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Now, let's explore how this amazing oil can benefit your skin and hair. Moisturizes skin. First up, castor oil is an excellent moisturizer for your skin. Its high fatty acid content penetrates deeply, hydrating and nourishing your skin. It's especially beneficial for dry and flaky skin. How to use. Apply a few drops to your face and massage gently before bed. Mix with your regular moisturizer for added hydration. Castor oil's antimicrobial properties make it effective in reducing acne. It helps to cleanse the skin, remove impurities, and reduce inflammation caused by acne. How to use. Apply a small amount to the affected area and leave it on overnight. Use a steam treatment to open pores, then apply castor oil. Fights signs of aging. Castor oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, promoting collagen production and skin elasticity. How to use. Gently massage a few drops onto your face before bedtime. Use it around the eyes to reduce crow's feet and puffiness. Treats scars and stretch marks. Castor oil is known for its ability to fade scars and stretch marks. It promotes the growth of new skin cells and helps to restore damaged skin. How to use. Apply directly to scars and stretch marks twice daily. Massage in circular motions to improve absorption. Promotes hair growth. For those looking to enhance hair growth, castor oil is a great option. It strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair loss, and promotes thicker, healthier hair. How to use. Warm a small amount and massage into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash it out with shampoo. Conditions hair. Castor oil is also an excellent conditioner. It moisturizes dry and damaged hair, leaving it soft and shiny. How to use. Apply to the ends of your hair as a leave-in conditioner. Mix with your regular conditioner for an extra boost of hydration. Treats dandruff. Castor oil can help treat dandruff due to its antifungal properties. It moisturizes the scalp and reduces flakiness. How to use. Mix castor oil with olive oil and apply to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing your hair. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. If you want thicker eyebrows and longer eyelashes, castor oil can help. It stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair. How to use. Apply with a clean mascara brush to your eyebrows and eyelashes before bed. Be consistent and use it daily for best results. Heals chapped. Castor oil can heal and hydrate chapped lips, leaving them smooth and soft. How to use. Apply a small amount to your lips as needed throughout the day. Use it overnight as a lip treatment for deeper hydration. Soothe sunburn. Finally, castor oil can soothe and heal sunburned skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and pain. How to use. Apply a thin layer to the sunburned area. Reapply as needed to keep the skin moisturized and reduce discomfort. Castor oil is truly a versatile and powerful addition to your beauty routine. Whether you're looking to improve your skin's texture, boost hair growth, or heal common skin issues, castor oil can help. Try incorporating these tips into your daily regimen and see the amazing benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.